Bandung, a city that always offers beauty and comfort.
Hello everyone, I'm Cesy Putri from the Architectural Engineering Education Program Class A. This time, I'd like to invite all of you to explore one of Bandung's most aesthetically pleasing campus, which boasts extraordinary natural charm.
Its name is De.U Coffee Dago, built in 2024 and designed by two talented architects, Mr. Ricky Kosasi and Mr. Daryan Adikara.
Located at Rancakendal No. 7 Street, Ciburial, Cimahi State, Bandung Regency, West Java.
This is the structural plan of De.U Coffee Dago. The perfect blend of minimalist and modern architectural styles with the beauty of the surrounding nature make anyone who visit lost track of time. Interestingly, this cafe was built on a challenging sloping terrain with a gradient of up to 25 meters. However, the architect designed it with a great sensitivity to the surrounding landscape. Upon arrival, visitors are immediately greeted by a long eastern way with an open retaining wall, harmonizing with the natural surroundings, with gentle lead to the apartment circular volume clad in brick, subtly introducing the cave's charm. Large circular glass walls blur the distinction between interior and exterior, fostering an uninterrupted visual dialogue with Bandung's green landscape and urban structure. See the details of this curved glass from the inside, which is enhanced with shades of brown. The two-story structure, characterized by its elegant surf and expansive cantilevered drive, creates a dynamic red light front that seamlessly integrates into its surroundings. Clad in warm wood tones and featuring a sleek, minimalist design that encourages social interaction and fosters a welcoming communal atmosphere. The walls feature textured rock cast finishes, offering a humble organic aesthetic, while exposed brick veneer adds warmth and character. The outdoor area is equally inviting, with chairs seating to allow guests to fully immerse themselves in the surrounding natural beauty. The eco-friendly approach maximizes ventilation and natural lighting to reduce energy consumption, creating a space where architecture and nature coexist in the perfect harmony. It was especially raining when I was there, making the atmosphere even more harmonious and serene. With sweeping views of Bandung's green landscape, De.U Coffee Dago offers more than just a place to enjoy a cup of coffee. It provides a tranquil and comfortable retreat. Every aspect of the design, from the choice of the materials to the circular layout, reflect a deep respect for Dago's natural beauty. Making a De.U Coffee Dago a destination where architecture and nature truly match. I'm Cesy Putri. See you later.